Showings this past week were down 19.5% compared to the prior week. Understandable, as many were preparing to travel for the Independence Day holiday, but purchase contracts were actually up 2.9%. It's Friday, July 7th, 2023. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Market Minute. Subscribe to stay updated on our local market and let me know what you want to know. Homes coming soon dropped to 933 properties, 1,435 new listings hit the market, 539 went under contract, and 835 went pending. 1,443 sold at 100.4% list-to-sold ratio in 7 days. This data continues to reinforce that the Maryland market has buyers and they are buying. The highest priced home sold in the past week was in Cockeysville for $3,895,000. Rentals available rose to 1,837 at $2,300 per month, and leasing in 16 days from hitting the market, reflecting fewer days than in past recent weeks. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, July 7th, 2023. Thanks so much for tuning in. Have a super weekend, and I'll see you next week.